Good morning students. Today we are going to read chapter 3rd, Tongue and Teeth. Tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste food when we eat. It is an organ that helps to identify the taste of the food we eat. Each taste bud is connected to the brain with nerves. We can tell immediately that food is sweet, bitter, salty or sour. A mixture of two or more tastes can also be identified. In this chapter, we are going to read about tongue and the teeth. Tongue is the organ of our body which helps us to taste the food which we are eating, and it is also the organ which helps us to taste the food with the help of taste bud. Taste bud sends the message to the brain, and the brain tells us the food which we are eating is sweet, bitter, salty or sour. We can also identify a mixture of two or more tastes. Different parts of the tongue sense different tastes. The taste bud near the tip of the tongue tells us whether the food is salty or sweet. Taste buds for bitter taste are at the back of the tongue. The buds on the side of the tongue helps us to identify sour taste. The tongue also helps us to swallow food and talk. The tongue also helps to push the chewed food into the food pipe. As you can see the different taste buds in the diagram of the tongue. That front part of the tongue helps us to taste sweet. After sweet there is a part which helps us to taste salty food, and after salty food the taste buds helps us to taste the sour food. Sour means khatta. And at last part of the tongue there is a taste bud which helps us to taste the bitter. Bitter means kadwa. And the tongue also helps us to swallow food. It means that we can take the food inside our body with the help of tongue, and we can also talk with the help of tongue. And tongue also helps us to push the chewed food into the food pipe. Next is teeth. Teeth are hard structures in the mouth which help in chewing food. Teeth help in breaking food into smaller bits. Our teeth give shape to our face. They help us to speak clearly. Clean and well kept teeth make our smile charming. Now we are going to read about the teeth and different types of teeth and how teeth helps us. Teeth are the hardest structure in our mouth which also helps us in chewing the food, and teeth breaks the food which we eat into smaller bites. Our teeth gives shape to our face, and we can speak clearly only with the help of teeth. We should keep our teeth clean because clean teeth make our smile charming. Milk teeth and permanent teeth. A newborn baby does not have any teeth. They get first tooth between the age of 6 and 9 months. When a baby is born, he or she does not have any teeth. The first teeth the baby gets between the age of 6 and 9 months. By the age of 2.5 years, a baby has 20 teeth in the mouth. When the baby becomes at the age of 2.5 years, the baby gets 20 teeth in his or her mouth. These teeth are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. These 20 teeth are called milk teeth or temporary teeth of the baby. At the age of 6 years, children start losing their milk teeth. As the milk teeth fall out, new teeth grow in their place. The new set of teeth is called the permanent teeth. When the baby becomes of 6 years and the children now start losing their milk teeth or temporary teeth. When the milk teeth fall out, they get the new teeth at their place, and the new set of teeth is called permanent teeth because the permanent teeth does not fall down, and after that they does not get any new teeth. By the time the child is 12 to 13 years old, all the permanent teeth have grown. When the child becomes at the age of 12 to 13 years old, all the permanent teeth they get grown. Gradually there are 28 permanent teeth. A child is having always 28 permanent teeth in their mouth. 4 more teeth called wisdom teeth come out any time after the age of 20, and when the children become at the age of 20 or after the age of 20, they get 4 more teeth which are called wisdom teeth. Therefore every adult has a set of 32 teeth. It means an adult person is having a set of 32 teeth. First teeth baby get at the age of 6 and 9 months. After that, at the age of 2.5 years, children get 20 teeth in the mouth, which are called milk teeth and temporary teeth. And after that, at the age of 6 years, milk teeth started falling, and when they get new teeth at that place, the set of new teeth is called permanent teeth. And at the age of 12 to 13 years old, they get all permanent teeth, and there are 28 permanent teeth. And after the age of 20, an adult gets 4 more teeth, which are called wisdom teeth. And in this way, each and every adult person is having 32 number of teeth totally. Kinds of teeth. We have 4 kinds of teeth. They help us to do different things. These are incisor, canine, premolar and molar. As in the diagram, you can see that we are having 4 kinds of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. And all these teeth help us to do different functions in our mouth. Incisor. There are 8 incisor in the front 4 in each jaw. We are having type of teeth incisor in our mouth. There are 8 types of incisor, 4 in front each, 4 upside and 4 downside. They have sharp edges and are used for cutting and biting the food. For this reason, these teeth are called cutting teeth. Incisors are having sharp edges, and we use these incisors to bite and cut the food. So as they help us to bite or cut the food, so incisor teeth are also called cutting teeth. Canines or tearing teeth are sharp teeth that are present on each side of the incisor. These are used for tearing the food. Each jaw has 2 canines. It means that canines are also called tearing teeth because they help us to tear the food properly, and the canines are present on the side of incisor, means 2 upside and 2 downside. Premolars are present next to the canines. These teeth are broad. They are used for crushing the food. Each jaw has 4 premolars. It means premolars are present near to the canine's teeth, and these teeth are broad, means big. They are used for crushing the food. Premolar teeth helps us to crush the food properly. Each jaw has 4 premolars, means we are having upper side also 4 premolar and downside also 4 premolar. Next is molars. The teeth at the back of the canines and premolars are called molars or cracking teeth. Molars are also known as cracking teeth. The teeth at the back of the canines and premolars, means the teeth which are present at the back of canine and premolar, are called the molar teeth. There are 6 molars in each jaw. We are having 6 molars in each jaw. They are broader than the premolar. As you can see in the diagram that molar teeth are more broader than the premolar teeth. They are next to the premolar. In our mouth, they are present next to the premolar teeth. Tooth decay. Tooth decay means when our teeth get dirty or we get some disease in our teeth. Teeth are important parts of our body. If we do not keep our teeth clean, tiny bacteria grow in them. Teeth are very important part of our body, as we have already read, because teeth help us to speak clearly. It helps us to chew the food. It helps us to eat the food. If we will not clean our teeth regularly, then we will get the tiny bacteria grow in them. They make holes or cavities in them, and these tiny bacteria make hole or cavity. It means they destroy our teeth. This causes decay of the teeth. Decay of the teeth means destroying of the teeth by the bacteria in them. The teeth becomes weak and the gums bleed. In tooth decay, our teeth become weak and our gums start bleeding. Gums means masude. There is foul smell from our mouth, and a bad smell also start coming from our mouth if we does not clean our teeth properly. So we must take care of our teeth to prevent tooth decay. So from preventing our teeth from tooth decay, we should clean our mouth properly. Care of our teeth. Now we are going to read how we should take care of our teeth. It is important to remember the following things to take care of our teeth. When we are taking care of our teeth, we should remember the following points. We must brush our teeth at least twice a day, every morning and every night before going to bed. As all of you know that we should always brush two times our teeth in a day, one in morning and one in night before going to bed. Use a good toothpaste and a toothbrush. We should always use good toothpaste and toothbrush for brushing our teeth. Brush your teeth in up and down motion. We should brush our teeth properly by moving our toothbrush in up and down direction. We should eat raw vegetables and fruits like apples, carrot, radish, etc. They give exercise to our gums and make our teeth strong. We should always eat raw vegetable and fruits like apple, carrot and radish, because when we eat raw vegetable, our gums get exercise, means masude, gums means masude that get exercise, and our teeth become more stronger day by day. We should avoid sweets and chocolates, they causes tooth decay. We should always avoid sweets and chocolate, means we should not eat more sweets and chocolates because sweet things causes the tooth decay. Rinse your mouth after every meal. This will remove the food particles that are stuck in the teeth. When we eat food, we should rinse our mouth properly, because if after eating food, if any particle is stuck in our teeth, then after rinsing our mouth, the particle will come out from the mouth and the bacteria will not grow in our mouth. We should get our teeth examined by a dentist after every 6 months. We should go to the dentist and check our teeth regularly at the period of 6 months. If we observe the above rules, our teeth will remain clean and healthy. If we follow the above points, our tooth will always remain clean and healthy. Next, teeth of animals. In above chapter, we have read about the teeth of human beings. Now we are going to read about the teeth of animals. Animals too have teeth which help them to chew their food. The shape of their teeth depends upon the type of food they eat. All the animals are having different types of teeth which helps them to chew their food, and the shape of the teeth of the animals depends upon the food which they are eating. Animals like cows, buffaloes, goats, zebra, horses, deer and sheep have flat teeth in front. These animals are called herbivorous animals. Means the animals which eat the plant, other plant or plant products are called herbivorous animals. For example, cow, buffalo, goat, zebra, horses, etc. All these herbivorous animals are having flat teeth in front of their mouth. Their flat teeth help them to bite grass and leaves of plants. These flat teeth help these herbivorous animals to properly tear the grass and the leaves of the plant. They have broad teeth at the back to chew and grind the food. In their mouth at the back, the herbivorous animals are having broad teeth to chew the food properly. They do not have canines. Herbivorous animals do not have canine teeth. Cows first swallow the food and later bring the food back into the mouth to chew it slowly. This is called chewing the cud. How cows eat their food? Firstly, they swallow the food. Swallowing the food means they take the whole food inside their stomach, and after that they slowly bring the food into their mouth and chew the food properly. And this process is called chewing the cud. Chewing the cud means cows firstly swallow the food inside their stomach and slowly they bring the food back into their mouth and chew it slowly. Some animals like lions, tigers, whales, eagles and crocodiles have very strong and sharp front teeth. These animals are called carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals, as all of you know, that eat other animals as their food. Example, lions, tigers, whales, eagles, crocodiles eat other animals. So they are having very strong and sharp front teeth. Their strong and sharp teeth help them to tear the flesh of their prey. As all of you know that carnivorous animals eat flesh of other animals, so they are having strong and sharp teeth which help them to tear the flesh of the other animals. Some animals like squirrels, rabbits and mongoose nibble seeds, fruits and nuts. Some animals like squirrels, rabbit and mongoose eat seeds, fruits and nuts as their food. They have sharp and narrow front teeth. So they are having sharp and narrow front teeth. which helps them to eat the seeds, fruits and nuts properly. Animals like elephants use their tusks to dig for roots and water. Animals like elephants have tusks means soon which help them to dig for roots and water. They also use them to scare and fight with other animals. Elephants also use their tusks to fight with other animals for protecting themselves. Dolphins use their teeth to capture their prey and swallow it as a whole. Dolphins capture their food with the help of their teeth and swallow it as whole, means they completely swallow their food into their stomach. Value wise, clean and healthy teeth make our smile beautiful, which is beneficial for our mind, body and overall well-being. As we have read already in this chapter that we should keep our teeth clean and healthy, because clean and healthy teeth make our smile beautiful and our face charming, and clean teeth helps us to eat more and more stronger food. I hope you understood the chapter very well. Thanks.